Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if I can send money to a mobile wallet using Remitly. Yes, you can send money directly to a mobile wallet using Remitly, depending on the country you are sending to and the specific mobile wallet providers available in that destination. Remitly partners with numerous mobile wallet services globally, allowing cross-border transfers to land straight onto a recipient's phone via supported providers like M-Pesa, GCash, or others depending on regional availability. To use this feature, open the Remitly app or website, enter the destination country, and select the mobile wallet as your delivery method if it is supported for that region. You will then need to input the recipient's phone number registered to their mobile wallet, ensuring the details match their account to prevent transfer delays or failures. Remitly will display the available mobile wallet networks, transfer fees, and current exchange rates before you finalize and fund the transaction using a debit card, credit card, bank account, or other supported payment methods. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.